Hi East Bears, here's a tutorial on how to fill out a Google Forms. This is what your assignments are going to be looking like. I'm assuming that you've done this in other classes, but just in case you haven't, here's a quick YouTube video talking you through it. Make sure you read the descriptions. There's usually like little titles and information. We're going to start always entering your name first, then click next. This little progress bar tells you how many pages there are total. There's only 2 pages, so that's all you need to be aware of for us. This will always have an important piece of information for short answers unless I specify otherwise. Please do not include spaces. We'll talk about that down here, but let's start in multiple choice. What's the slope of the line? Here's a beautiful equation given. We know it's 5. If for some reason you can't see that, on your keyboard there's a Control CTRL, the plus. You can click that to zoom in, and hold Control and click the minus button to zoom out, just in case you can't see. Now, what was the equation to the question above? This is the importance of why I don't want you to include spaces in your answer. I'm going to give one answer where I don't and one answer where I do. Both answers are perfectly correct. You can see they're the same thing. The computer will only note the correct answer if you don't include spaces, so please don't include that. So let's submit and let's look at our score. We got a 20 out of 30 because even though it's correct, there are spaces. Please do not include spaces in your answer or it will be wrong unless I specify otherwise. This was a quick tutorial walking you through how to do a Google form. If you have any questions, please let me know.